Welcome to Atwater Vineyards Wine Club. Now that you are a member, there are a couple quick things that we ask you to set up to ensure that you receive communication from us, as well as allow you to access your account to customize your quarterly wine club shipments and update any credit card information or shipping information as needed. Once you're in your email, we do ask that you add 2 of our emails to your contacts to ensure that we do not end up in your spam folder, but instead into your primary inbox. In Gmail, it's quite easy. If you hover over Atwater Vineyards, our contact information will pop up and the add person icon. Once you click on that, the information will be added. You can always double check by going into your contacts. And you'll see that info@atwatervineyards.com was added. The second email address we'd like you to save is amanda@atwatervineyards.com. Once that is complete, you can go into the Welcome to Atwater Vineyards, set up your password email. And if you set up your password link that you see, just click on that. It'll redirect you to the Atwater Vineyards website, where you'll simply create a password or use the strong password that they suggest. I do not have to do this as I have already set up my password, but I will go and log in with my email. And new password. Once logged in, everything that you would need to access regarding your wine club or any information is under the person icon. The first tab is your orders. This will have all of your order history, when it was placed, your total, and your order numbers. Next is the wine clubs that you may be a part of. It'll show you which wine club. If you're set up for shipping, the card that's attached, and if the club is open, the view packages, but we will address that in an additional video. Shipping addresses, if you need to edit your shipping address, and also your payment options if you do need to change out your credit card information. If you need help with anything, please reach out to me at amanda@atwatervineyards.com, as well as you can text us using this little text option on the website, and we'll get back to you as quickly as possible.